Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us. Well, we're tracking a cold southerly that is moving up the South Island, bringing heavy rain and a real tumble in the temperatures, especially as we head into Thursday. And of course, Wednesday, 5:15 this morning, was technically the autumn equinox. That means our day and night are equal length, but over the next few weeks, you're going to notice the nights start to get longer as we slide towards winter. Here's the animated wind map. You can see that cold southerly moving up the South Island, but it's still warm in the north. In fact, lovely weather going on for many northern areas with blue skies and those easterly winds that have been blowing around for the last few days, finally starting to ease back. They were up to gale force at times over the weekend. Now they're easing back over northern areas, and you can see there's a bit of calm between that cold front and the northern easterlies. Here's how it looks as we go into Thursday. It is much colder around the South Island. Temperatures are really dropping. We're going to be seeing places like Dunedin, Wanaka, Queenstown, Alexandra struggling to make it into the double digits and then struggling to make it beyond 10, 11, 12 degrees. In fact, they might not even reach the teens. So that's a cold change, especially around where that blue circle is. Amongst that area, that's where the coldest air is. As you go further into the North Island, the winds have really eased back, but the cold change does not move up to the North Island just yet. A fair bit of shower activity from that front, which is just there, moving into the North Island. By Friday, that front's moving further into the North Island, but we've got a new area of low pressure forming. That's going to energize the system. The downpours are pretty isolated. There are still large areas of dry around on Friday, but could still be some pretty heavy downpours amongst that front and developing low. And then into the weekend, there is that low pressure system. It's pretty weak. It's just a very low area of sinking air pressure. Amongst that, you've got the rain clouds, obviously, and a bit of rain shower activity in the North Island. And by Sunday, same kind of story, a small area of air pressure that's trying to get a little bit deeper, but it's not. In fact, the air pressure is still fairly high. And then up around the north, you've got these showers from this weak front, a few showers there as well. Otherwise, the system is falling apart. And by next Monday, back to work again. Fairly calm around the country, some high pressure. The nor'westers are building ahead of this next low, which is going to track by in the Southern Ocean. So we've got a real variety of weather. A tropical low up here, nothing to worry about at this stage. Meanwhile, over in Australia, they could have another potential tropical cyclone. And that is all. There's a lot going on. Typical autumn weather. We'll catch you again tomorrow.